How to delete TikTok account. So if at the end of the day you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if for any reason that you want to delete your TikTok account, then you need to follow this. Go ahead and open the TikTok application. Once opened, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. This is going to take you to your TikTok profile page. On the profile page, click on the menu icon at top right, which is the hamburger, and then click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, you need to go to Account and click on Account. Now, to delete your TikTok, click on Deactivate or Delete Account. Hang on a couple of seconds. This is going to take you to where you can easily delete or deactivate your TikTok account. To delete your TikTok account permanently, click on Delete Account Permanently and hang on. Then state the reason why you are deleting your TikTok account. Click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, you will be prompted to confirm that you want to delete your TikTok account permanently, and then click on Continue. Review these 3 tasks before you delete your account, and after that, your TikTok account will be deleted. And that's it. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.